Welcome to the Midwest Dial Tone training sessions. In this video, we will be going over the basic features of the ReachUC web browser interface. Using your welcome email, click on the Complete Setup button. This will take you to a screen where you set up your password for the web portal and your voicemail box. Once your passwords are set, click the Save button. Now, navigate to MidwestDialTone.com and select Portal Login. Under Saturn Portal, click the Login button and select ReachUC Login. Enter your username and password to log in. In the Call Number field, enter the number you wish to dial. Then click the Call button. Click Call History, then click the Call button next to the number you wish to call. Click the Call button twice to call the last number dialed. While in a call, click the transfer icon. Type in where you want to transfer the call, then hit Enter. While in a call, click the attended transfer icon. Enter the number you want to transfer to, then hit Enter. Announce the call and click the Confirm Transfer button. While in a call, click the transfer icon. Enter 7 and the extension number, and then hit Enter. Dial 5001. Click the dial pad icon and enter the PIN followed by the # that you set up earlier from the welcome email. Follow the instructions to set up your voicemail. Click the voicemail icon to access voicemail. Enter your password followed by the # to listen to your messages. While in a call, click the record icon to record your conversation. To end the recording, click the pause recording icon. Recording also ends when you hang up the call. To listen back to your recordings, click on Recordings, then press the play button to listen back to the conversation. To download the recording, click on the Export File icon, or to delete the recording, click on Delete File. There is also access to the PBX portal through ReachUC. Please reference the Saturn portal basic training video on our website for further instructions of those features. Thank you for watching, and we hope it was helpful. For even more information, you can visit our website at MidwestDialTone.com. To see additional training videos, go to Customer Resources.